Kipinner Recruitment Agency in Finland is looking for fitter welders for our clients. Check out our job offers by visiting our webpage and social media channels, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube. If you are a welder, we have work for you. We expect you to read technical drawings, select materials, tools, and change settings in welding machines. You will work with thick or thin plates, pipes, and you should communicate freely in English. Contact us at Kipinner. Our company offers you permanent contract according to Finnish law, steady payment, furnished accommodation at a low price, reimbursement for first travel expenses up to €250 after trial period, safe and responsible working place. Our services are offered in English, Finnish, Polish, Bulgarian, and Romanian languages. We can communicate also in German and Russian languages. We can handle all required labor-related communications and documentations with the Finnish authorities. Check out our job offers on our webpage.